Hi, welcome to answersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses and course answers.
Hey buddy, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be seeing some free online courses related to customer service. And these courses are offered by LinkedIn Learning. And the courses which we are going to see in this video are already available for free in LinkedIn Learning. So you don't need to pay for anything or you don't need to use your free month trial. These are already openly available for free. You just need a LinkedIn account to enroll in these courses. So now let's move on and see the courses and LinkedIn Learning for customer service. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do that first. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out. Now let's get back to the content and see the courses. So the first one is Customer Service Foundations, and the instructor for this course is Mr. Jeff. And you have 1 hour 22 minutes of video content for this course, and this is a beginner level course. And on the left side you can see here the contents, that is what you'll be learning in this course. And here are the learning objectives and the skills covered in this course. And the skills covered are exceeding customer expectations and customer service. So this is the first one, Customer Service Foundations. Once you complete this course, you can also get a free certificate for this course. So let me tell you how you can get the free certificate after completing the courses. You can see here certificates, and near that you can see here show all. Click on it once you complete the course. One is LinkedIn Learning Certificate, another one is National Association of State Boards of Accountancy, that is NASBA certificate, and the last one is PMI, that is Project Management Institute certificate. For LinkedIn Learning Certificate and Project Management Certificate, you just need to complete the course content. But for NASBA certificate, you need to take an exam and score at least 70% or more than that to get the NASBA certificate for this particular course. These download buttons will become available once you complete the course. So this is the first one. Let's move on to the next one now. The second course is Customer Service Problem Solving and Troubleshooting, and the instructor is Mr. Fleming, and who's the author, speaker, and president of Fleming Consultancy and Co. And this is a short course. You have 32 minutes video content, and this is a beginner plus intermediate level. And here are the learning objectives for this course. And the skills covered in this course are troubleshooting, problem solving, and customer service. So this is the second one. Next one is building rapport with customers, and this course is taken by Myra Golden, who's an author, trainer, and keynote speaker. You have 27 minutes on demand video for this course, and this is a general course, so basically anyone can take it. And the skills covered in this course are interpersonal skills, client rapport, and customer service. And once you complete this course, you can click on show only a certificate and download the certificates for this particular course. So you have two certificates for this one. One is LinkedIn Learning Certificate and the other one is NASBA. Let's move on to the next course now. The next one is Customer Service Call Control Strategies. And this is also taken by Myra Golden. And you have 23 minutes on demand video for this course. And this is an intermediate level. And the skills covered in this course are call center administration, customer service representatives, and customer service. And here you can see what are the things that you'll be learning in the contents tab. Let's move on to the next one now. Next one is Customer Service Handling Abusive Customers, and this is taken by Mr. David Brownlee, who is a founder and CEO of Pure Customer Service. And you have 39 minutes of video content for this course. And this is a beginner plus intermediate level course. And the skills covered in this course are communication and customer service. And once you complete this course, you can click on show only certificates and download the LinkedIn Learning certificate for this particular course. Next one is Creating Positive Conversations with Challenging Customers, and this is also taken by Myra Golden, and you have 33 minutes video content for this course. And this is an intermediate level, and you will be learning about negotiation and customer service in this course. And here are the course contents. And once you complete this course, let's see what are the certificates that you can get. So you can only get LinkedIn Learning certificate for this course. Let's move on to the next one now. De-escalating intense situations, and the instructor is Myra Golden, and you have 49 minutes video content, but this is an advanced level course. And let's see the skills covered in this course. So it's basically customer service. And let's move on to the next course now. Next one is customer service, serving customers through chat and text. This course is taken by Leslie, and you have 39 minutes of video content for this course, and this is an intermediate level. And here are the learning objectives and skills covered are customer service systems, chat, and customer service. So this is the last one. We have seen around 8 courses in this video. So these 8 customer service courses in LinkedIn Learning are already available for free, so you don't need to use your free month trial or anything of that sort. You just need a LinkedIn account and you can straight away enroll in these courses. Now let me tell you how you can enroll in these courses. I have given a link in description. Once you click on that link, you'll be landing on this page, free customer service courses on LinkedIn Learning, and here you can see all the different courses starting with customer service foundations, problem solving and troubleshooting, building rapport with customers. Just click on enroll for free in whichever course you want to enroll in, and you will be directed to that particular course in LinkedIn Learning, and then you can log into your LinkedIn account and start learning for free. And if you want to explore other free courses offered by LinkedIn Learning, what you can do is you can go on to answersQ.com website, and once you are there in the home page, you can click on free courses, and now you will see all the platforms in which you can get some free courses like Google, Amazon, Skillscape, Great Learning. If you want, you can go ahead and explore other platforms. For now, let me show you LinkedIn Learning. Click on LinkedIn Learning and you will see all the different categories for which you can get courses like sales training, financial analytics, IT administration, data analytics, graphic design courses are also available, digital marketing, software development, project management course. So you have courses for all these categories here. You can go ahead and explore whichever one you want. So this is the content for this video. So I hope you find this video useful. To get more updates about free online courses, job updates, and internships and workshops, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon. And you can also connect with me on social media channels like Instagram. As I said, I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out.
Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video.